Hi, Stampers. Happy Sunday Fun Day. Hopefully this works a lot better this morning. My telephone had a little burn up. I've never had an emergency alert due to it heating up. So that was fun. As always, hashtag joys of tech. So we're going to try this again. I just want to again share that we are looking at the tag topper punches today. There are 3 offerings in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. Oh, I guess before I start, I should just kind of remind everyone, my name is Trisha, aka Stampin' Tea. I am from Edmonton, Alberta, and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, sharing what I love. And every Sunday, which I've kind of coined as Sunday Fun Day, I'm sharing some fun projects with you all. And if you are a member of my Heart Stampers group, you'll also see some of the techniques in more detail there. But I hope you enjoy some of these projects. I will also post all the pictures and some tips to go along with them. You may even get some tips that aren't even showing up in this video. So again, we're doing the tag topper punches. And as you can see, I've got 3 of them. The one that has been offered the longest in the Stampin' Up! Catalogs is the scallop tag punch, the scallop tag topper punch. Now there's 2 other ones. We've got the delightful tag topper and we have the fancy tag topper. So all of these are found in the main catalog right now. But I'm hoping that some of you have one of these at least in your craft stash. And if not, maybe a few. As a lot of you are coming on at different times to check out the video, I do hope that you post an emoticon letting me know whether or not you do have these. So give me a heart if you've got 1, give me 2 hearts if you have 2, and give me 3 hearts if you've got all 3. And if this is something that's on your wish list that you think you might like, then give me a thumbs up, a like, and then we can it's kind of like a little survey to see who actually has this in the stash, and hoping that some of these projects inspire you to make some more. So I'm going to put these aside and I'm going to show you. So when I purchased my punch, and I don't know if it's like many of you, it was to actually make tags. So here's a couple of tags that I made using the Snailed It stamp set. Ooh, and also the Party Punch. So the Party Punch is a stamp set right now that you can get with your hostess order. A workshop order, 350 or more, is this cute Party Punch set. So that's where I got most of the words from. And then, of course, the Snailed It Designer Series paper. So aren't those cute? I think they are. And remember, I'm going to post the final projects for you on the Facebook page on Just for the Love of Stamping. So do check back for those posts as well as some little tips to help you create your projects. So here are the tags, but now we're card makers, right? So let's see how we incorporate our tags making cards. So here's a tag topper that I've punched out and then used the tag on a card front. So these are the Memories and More cards that are found in the new JJ catalog, the January to June catalog. And I've mounted it onto a backing, a piece of Calypso Coral cardstock that's been cut out in the stitched rectangle framelits. Isn't that super cute? Cute for Valentine's Day. But again, another way to use your tags is as a card front. So along with a card front, we've got this card. So I've used the tag topper punch to make an embellishment, you could say, for the front of the card. And that's what this is. This was a card that I created for a card swap I was in recently. And I used the granite gray cardstock and I just punched each end and then wrapped a ribbon around it, tied a bow to add the embellishment to the front of my card. So that's another way that you can use that tag topper just to do something different on your cards. And I think that's super cute. Okay, and here's another super cute card. So this is a card using the tag topper, but where we've punched it out and used it as a closure on the front of our card. So let me just open that up for you so you can kind of see what that looks like on the inside. I've just used some of the coordinating twine that's in the JJ catalog, part of the snail collection. And I opened it up. I got a little yucky there. But you make my heart happy. Isn't that just lovely? Again, that's from that Party Punch stamp set. And the card front is actually using, again, the Memories and More cards. And the card, and then the little embellishment cards to go with it. So that's a super cute project. Again, using your tag topper. Now we've got, oh, I wanted to play with the cactus set because I don't know if any of you saw, but Karina Chin and I are doing a paper craft party using the flowering cactus melody. So I wanted to play a little bit more with that. So I've come up with this cute little box. Now I didn't come up with it, I should say. It's one of those Pinterest finds. I think this was a fun box made by Poodles. But again, it's just using the tag topper as a closure. So in one of my past Sunday Fun Days, I showed you guys how to make cute little treat boxes using your 6x6 paper. So you can go back and find those little boxes, but then just add a little tag topper top to close that. I'll show you, I made a couple of them just because it's super cute. So that's another great way to use your tag topper. And then, oh, I also wanted to show you, when you use your punch, the scallop punch, when you punch out the top, it actually leaves these little tiny circles. You're going to want to save those for table confetti or maybe your shaker cards. So that's another fun tip for your punch. Now I don't have this one completely finished yet. The front is missing, but I do want to show you a little tiny mini album that I'm making. Well, it's like a card, I guess you could say. This was a card that I was inspired by Karina Chin on a workshop I was on with her yesterday. And I had to recreate it myself because it's super cute. So here is a little card. I've used the Memories and More front. I just have to finish the front. I need to get my hearts done, but when I post the picture, you will see how beautiful it is. Using some of the Blushing Bride ribbon. Isn't that gorgeous? That just looks like rose gold. And I know there's many of you out there who love the rose gold. But I've got some pockets here. And so again, these tags make a great pull pocket when you're making mini albums or cards. And so I've got a little gift card holder in here, again, using the Memories and More card set. Isn't that super cute? And then I've taken one of our heart embellishments and added some adhesive and put it through our gold foil or gilded foils. So that's super fun technique. But this is a great way. I have the tag kind of tucked away between two cards, and that's my gift card holder for this lovely little card that I'm about to give to someone. The other pull in here is some little cards, which I want to write some love notes on. And then I've got just a plain tag that I still have to embellish and put some fun notes. I think that's a great journaling card, right? Okay. And then when you open it up, again, this is all using those Memories and More collection that I just trimmed off all of the scalloped edges. But did you see this? I don't know if you noticed here, the scalloped edge. I repurposed it over on that side as a pocket trim for my gift card. Okay, and then I'm opening it up. And again, another Memories and More card and some other fun designs. These are actually the inside of the envelopes that come with that kit. And then I'm hoping to add some pictures and some other fun words just to make this extra special for the person that I'm going to give that to. But again, I just wanted you to be reminded about making cute tags as pullouts, whether in your cards or on your scrapbook pages, because I think those are super cute. So those are all the ideas I have for you today for the video, but do watch all the posts because I do post all day long. Pictures of all of these along with the tips and then any other little pieces or tricks that, that I find. If you've got any questions, reach out, but I do hope you pull out your tag topper punches and give it a try. Have a great Sunday. Bye, everyone.